Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm gonna be sharing another skincare product, and it's a face cream or a moisturizer. So this is what I'm talking about. It's from Peter Thomas Roth. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, so this one, it says a peptide 21 wrinkle resist moisturizer. Okay, so it says that helps improve the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and elasticity. Okay, so this product, this face cream, I use this morning and nighttime. Okay, so you can use this after your serum. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Well, it looks thick, but actually it's not heavy on the face. Here. So it hydrates my face. So this product or face cream does have fragrance, but I don't mind. Actually, it's not bad. That's the fragrance. See that? So my face is smoother and plumper actually. See, and you see the glow. Yeah. So when you apply this on your face, you don't need a lot. I'm gonna put more on it so you can see. See, look at the textures. Yeah, but you don't need a lot. Put on your face. See, you see that? My face is smoother and hydrates my face. And there you go. So that's Peter Thomas Roth product. So it's not heavy and also it's not greasy. It feels good actually on the face. Okay. There you go. So hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.